賽事咧，將會喺12點半咧就舉行㗎啦。一陣喺我哋第6場嘅馬連杯再見到大家㗎。This is the end of our variety show, so please remember to scan the QR code on the door gift to complete your registration by 3:30 to participate in the Year of the Horse race day called the Lucky Draw. Wishing you a prosperous Year of the Horse. And the first race today will start at 12:30. Good luck and see you all later at the Year of the Horse Trinity presentation. Bye bye!
Bye bye! 新年快樂！
各位馬迷，恭喜發財！迎接馬年嘅醒獅表演，現在開始。現在有請香港賽馬會當值管理層代表為醒獅驗證。
Hi everyone, come take fat joy. The live dance performance is about to begin. May we now